I will.
By the way, like in the Spanish
Mm.
language, they have 4,000 originally Arabic word. Original Arabic
Mm.
word. 4,000 in the Spanish language.
Yeah,
Like, I give you
yeah.
just simple words like camisa. It came from Arabic.
Camisa,
Camis.
camisa,
Yeah.
yeah,
Do you
yeah,
say camisa as well in Portuguese?
yeah. Camisa, camisa. This is a shirt is a camisa.
Yeah,
In
camisa.
Portuguese.
In Arabic,
Yeah,
camis.
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 Yeah, yeah.
And sugar. In Arabic, it's sukkar.
Sucar.
Sukkar.
Yeah,
With
sucar.
yeah, that's the word.
Sucar,
So we say sukkar. R.
sucar. Ah, we say it sucar, so it's the same. Sucar, sucar. Ay, it's very complicated for me to say it.
Yeah.
Sucar, sucar. Ha.
And by the way, this letter ha, it's very confusing for most of Arabic learners because they
Mhm,
cannot pronounce ha
mhm,
like natives. They say
mhm.
ha, or even some people say ha.
Yeah. It's confusing.
Yeah, but you did
It's
it very well.
ha,
You said
ha,
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 right?
ha,
So you did
ha.
it very well.
Oh, thank you.
So this is ha, okay?
Mhm.
Let's go to the next one. It looks similar to ha with a dot on the top, and this one
Mm,
called, do you remember? With a dot here.
no.
It's kha.
Ha,
Say it again.
ha, ha.
Yes. كويس. كويس.
كويس. Thank
كويس
you.
جدا.
Mhm.
Okay.
Ha. Oh, let me do it here. Yeah, it's similar. Imagine, but with a dot on top. Yeah.
All right. Very nice. So let me ask you questions.
Mm-hmm.
How do we say this one?
Uh, mm, mm, Wait. Oh, that one is ha.
The one? No.
Oh no, this one is Jim.
Right. This one is Jim. Okay. What about this one?
Ha,
Say it again.
ha.
Okay. Nice. كويس
And
جدا. طيب. طيب means well. طيب.
طيب,
طيب. Okay.
طيب.
What about this one?
Ha. No. Ha, ha,
Ha.
ha.
It is strong.
Okay.
Ha.
Yeah. Ha.
تمام. كويس. كويس جدا.
Oh, كويس.
Okay. Do you want me to go further or reviewing?
Let's review. Let's
Let's
review. So
review.
it's Aleph. Yeah, let's review. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you about the letters again, and you write
Mm-hmm.
down the letter.
Mm-hmm.
So write down ba.
Mm.
Yeah, it's very close, but the dot is here.
Okay. Yeah.
So the dot is here. Okay.
Mm.
Write down ha. I'm sorry.
Ha.
I'm sorry for this
Oh.
noise.
No, it's okay. Just thinking the ha, or. Mm. Can you say it again? Ha.
Ha. Ha.
Yeah. Yeah. Ignore this part.
Yeah, okay. So it's a ha. This is ha. Well done.
Mm-hmm.
What about jim?
Mm. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
La. La.
Oh,
No,
where
the dot is not here.
is here?
Yes, the dot is here.
Okay.
Okay. Tha.
Mm, so,
Yes, with and another dot.
oh, on bottom,
No, no, no. Of course, in on the top.
on the top. Okay.
Okay. What about kha?
Huh. Uh,
Yes.
this one.
كويس. Bravo.
Thank you.
ألف. Are you writing ألف?
Yeah, it's on. Okay, I'll write it somewhere else.
Yeah, yeah, I see now. Okay.
Okay.
I found it. So this is ألف.
Mm-hmm.
What about تاء? تاء.
No, no dots.
What about the dots? Where are the dots? Should be where the dots should be on this letter. تاء.
Oh yeah, this one had the the dots. So it's alif, ba, ta,
Right, good
and
job.
you're asking
Yeah,
ta.
this is what I'm asking about.
Yeah,
So two dots, one dot, three dots.
two dots.
Right. كويس جدا. برافو.
Thank you.
So this is ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء. This is
Ha,
all of
ha.
them. This is all of them. Nice.
Mhm.
Can you read all of them? The ones you
Uh,
wrote?
oh, alif.
Mm.
Is the easiest one. Um, this one is Jim.
Right?
This one is uh, ha, 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 ha.
This one is ثاء. ثاء.
Fa, fa,
Yeah.
fa. Yeah. Uh, this one is ba,
Yeah. Now.
ta.
Mm.
This one, ha,
Yes. Yeah.
and this one is this one without any dots. This one that I can't remember. Ha,
No, it's not خاء. It's
oh,
حاء.
ha,
حاء.
oh, ha, ha. No,
So
sorry.
that's good. Yeah,
Ha,
that
ha,
you told me that
ha.
you're not good with memorizing, right? But I see now you're good at memorizing.
Let me say, if in an hour I will remember because I will have to practice to memorize. That's the thing. Like I'll have just to memorize to work with myself to remember. Sometimes, like at night, just while I'm on the internet, just going through it and trying to explore a little bit more, um, and then try to do also some work on my side, not just in the lessons, because if I'm only in the lessons, forget. But it's a guide for me to
Yeah,
start learning.
my after the lesson, I used to give homework for the student
Hmm.
to work by him or herself.
Hmm.
That's a nice
Yeah.
practice. So of course, I believe that homework is essential for this case to
Hmm.
learn to improve your learning process.
Hmm.
Okay, Let me give you just three other letters.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So here, let me draw a line. As I told you, I'm not good at writing. So the next one is جيم حاء خاء. This one is da, dal. Like
Dal,
yeah, right.
dal,
Dal.
dal.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it was nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I've seen it. I've seen this one. In it's quite familiar.
Yeah, you can write it again.
Dal.
Try to write it again.
Mm. Oh no.
Yeah, it's
No, it's
fine,
not like
but just leave this one.
it's not
Okay.
so yeah, it's not so long.
Yes. So this is dal, and let me give you a word. Gold. How do you say gold in Egyptian Arabic? Gold. Do you have any idea?
No.
So gold in Egyptian Arabic starting with da, dahab.
Dahab.
Yeah.
No,
So
dahab.
dahab.
So
That's the word.
the dahab.
Right. We even have a city called Dahab in the
Okay.
located on the Red Sea. Very beautiful place. Dahab, gold.
Dahab.
Yes, Dahab. So the
Dahab.
next one is the. It looks the same as the dal here, but with a dot on the top. The. Your tongue goes to the front teeth. The.
The.
Like
The.
the in English.
Yeah, like the. Yeah,
Yes.
the. 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 Okay, so
So that's the. Okay.
the.
Let's go for this one. Very easy one. It's ra. Ra.
Oh, yeah, that's the one that is very hard for me to pronounce because even Portuguese has that sound. Some it depends on the region. I might do it, but it doesn't.
So in Portuguese, you don't have this sound. Ra.
We have, but depends on the people. I can't do it. Other people might do it. I always say like sometimes if I'm thinking to myself I might do it, but it I have to practice on my own.
So I think you in the yes. It's ra like French. French people say ra instead of fra. Say yeah. But
Now
it's
I
ra. Even
managed
Spanish
to
people can say ra, ra.
oh no.
Yeah, so ra.
Yeah.
So I think the you speak Spanish, right?
I can understand. If I'm in Spain, I might start speaking it, but on my own, I won't. If I'm in Spain, yeah, I will speak Spanish. Badly, but I will.
By the way, like in the Spanish language, they have 4,000 original Arabic word. 4,000 in Spanish language.
Yeah,
Like I give you
yeah.
just simple words like camisa. It came from Arabic.
Camisa,
Camis.
camisa,
Yeah.
yeah,
Do you
yeah,
say camisa as well in Portuguese?
yeah. Camisa. This is a shirt is a camisa.
Yeah,
In
camisa.
Portuguese.
In Arabic,
Yeah,
qamis.
camis.
Qamis.
Yeah, yeah.
And sugar. In Arabic, it's sukkar.
Sukkar,
Sukkar.
yeah.
With
Sukkar. Oh,
yeah, that's the word.
sukkar.
So we say sukkar. R.
Sukkar. Ah, we say it as sukkar, so it's the same. Sukkar. Sukkar. Ay, it's very complicated for me to say it.
Yeah.
Sukar, sukar.
So, uh, I think you live in Portugal in a place near to France, right?
In Portugal, Lisbon, there is opposite. It's the opposite side. Is by the ocean. Um, but like French is similar. That I can understand a few things. Uh, but again, if I go to I went to France once and I started speaking French while I was there, badly, just the basic stuff.
Yeah.
But it's because I'm familiar with. But with Arabic, if I get familiar, I will be able to start making my own um, way of speaking to people. Hopefully, right the right